Welcome to my channel, Enthusiast Gardener. I'm thrilled to have you join us today as we dive into the world of gardening. Today, we're going to explore one of the easiest and most natural methods to multiply your beloved lemon-scented geraniums, a delightful plant known for both its aromatic leaves and beautiful presence in any garden. We'll be focusing on a technique called layering in a pot, which is not only simple but also incredibly rewarding. So, grab your gardening gloves and get ready to learn how to expand your garden's creativity while nurturing these wonderful plants. Let's dig in. To successfully carry out our gardening task, we will require a clean pot featuring draining holes, which will ensure proper water drainage for the health of our plants. Additionally, we will need a garden stable, specifically in a U-shaped design, to effectively secure and provide stability to the stem of the geranium plant. Additionally, we will need to acquire a well-draining potting mix that is essential for the healthy growth of our plants. A good option for this purpose is a mix that consists of equal parts potting soil and perlite, as this combination effectively aids in both drainage and aeration. The potting soil provides the necessary nutrients, while the perlite enhances airflow within the soil, preventing compaction and ensuring that the roots have access to the oxygen they require to thrive. After filling the pot with soil until it reaches about the halfway mark, proceed by thoughtfully selecting a long and flexible stem from your geranium plant. It is ideal to choose a stem that has a healthy node, which is the point on the stem where the leaves meet, as this will enhance the chances of successful propagation. With gentle care and using your fingers, carefully remove a few of the leaves or any lateral stems that may be present on the selected stem. Following that, bend the stem down toward the soil in the pot, ensuring that it makes good contact with the surface, as this will facilitate rooting and encourage new growth from the node. Carefully secure the geranium stem in place by utilizing the U-shaped garden stable, ensuring it is firmly anchored to provide the necessary support for root growth. Following this step, proceed to add additional soil to the pot, making sure to leave approximately 1 inch of space at the top to allow for effective watering. Now, gently water the pot to help settle the soil and remove any air pockets around the buried node. This step is key to promote healthy root development. In a few weeks, roots will develop. Once the new plant is established, snip it from the parent stem and give your new scented geranium its own location to grow. And just like that, you've cloned your plant naturally and simply. If this tip helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, and share it with your fellow plant lovers. Happy gardening, friends!